In this chapter, we will talk about monitoring and logging in ACS clusters. Doing so will help you keep an eye on the cluster's health. When running a large cluster, it can be challenging to keep things running well. You will need to automate the process of log gathering from the servers and create some kind of a dashboard that will notify you about any problems. Building software for this is difficult and probably is not your core business. Fortunately, there are some existing tools you can use to solve this problem. They are called Windows Azure Diagnostics and Operations Management Suite, or OMS. In this chapter, we will introduce you to these tools and show you how to start using them. Sometimes your virtual machine needs to have some prerequisites installed before it can be put into production. We've already learned how using PowerShell DSC can be used for this. You could execute your PowerShell DSC script automatically by configuring a virtual machine extension to run it. Azure Virtual Machine extensions can be used to configure tasks on Azure virtual machines during deployment. VM extensions can be executed using the Azure CLI, PowerShell, ARM templates, and by using the Azure portal. They work for both existing and new virtual machines. A different tool to monitor resources in Azure is called Azure Monitor. The most important feature of Azure Monitor is automation. This means that you can trigger actions to execute based on diagnostics information. For example, you could send an email to the subscription administrator if the CPU use percentage of a virtual machine crosses 80%. Operations Management Suite, or OMS, is an online environment used by system administrators to monitor and manage machines in their environment. This includes machines running on premises and in the cloud, running both Windows and Linux. Some commonly used features of OMS are log analytics. The diagnostics data produced by your machines can be consolidated by OMS to create a dashboard with graphs to display a summary of your overall system status. Automation. To make sure all your machines are properly configured, automation can be used. Scripts can be executed on local machines as well as virtual machines running in the cloud.